I have just released the first few trading result videos for 2022 because that year is gone for good now, and I need to apologize. Not for the results, those are good and you will like the low drawdowns for all the different entry modules. But for the video format, because I have already done a few dozen videos for other years and I learned that I had to change something. Therefore I am using a different voice for the trading results now, because this is much more efficient and less time consuming. But the result playlist for the first few videos is already uploaded and available on YouTube because of the faster production process. Another thing that I have messed up is the website address for the Platin system. One of our Platin course members told me that the HTTPS version is unreachable right now. I have never recognized that because the domain is currently forwarded to platinsystem.org. So the platinsystem.com link I have emailed you just a few days ago is currently not reachable. That should change on January the 3rd when the domain movement is finished. And the third thing is that I will no longer offer the MQL4 version for new Platin customers, because I think in 2023 it is really time to switch to MQL5. Thank you for your attention and I will see you in the next video.